trencher, a grader, a line and level trader. I sent them out to shape the earth, and by the work they showed their worth. They trenched it, they graded, yes, by their work they stated. A trencher dug 4 pipes so deep, while the grader made slopes not so steep. A backhoe, a digger, their teamwork was much bigger. And if they don't dig as they might, I think the pipes might not fit right. They scooped it, they dug it, yes, in their task they hugged it. A backhoe loader moved with grace, while the trench digging machine found its place right. Early in the morning, at the break of dawn, backhoe loader wakes, stretches and yawns. With its big bucket ready to scoop and lift, it's off to work, moving earth so swift. The loader at the front, with the scoop so wide, picks up the dirt and carrying it with pride. It lifts up high, then drops it down with ease, helping to move mountains or plant some trees. Around it spins, to the back we go. There is a second arm backhoe ready to show. It digs down deep with a claw that grabs and pulls, creating foundations or making holes. This mighty machine with its engine so strong can push and pull and carry all day long. With hydraulics that whine when it works the ground, lifting, digging, moving dirt around. On tracks or wheels, travels far and wide. Across rough terrain it rides with pride. Through mud and sand it makes its way, a powerful sight in yellow and gray. As the sun sets, the backhoe loader's day is done. It rests from its labor under the setting sun. But tomorrow it'll rise to work and play, the backhoe loader making a difference every day. The mighty little excavator dug through the muddy ground, down into the earth it went, moving dirt around. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the mighty little excavator dug through the mud again. The mighty little excavator had a big strong arm. It could lift and carry dirt and never come to harm. Along came a boulder so large and so round, and the mighty little excavator moved it without a sound. The mighty little excavator working all day long, signing the construction sites by bird song. When the job was finished, it was time to take a bow. The mighty little excavator had made us all so proud.
Let's go!
The busy little forklift went out to lift and haul. Down to the side it went, moving loads to shelves. Out came the driver to lift the load so high, and the busy little forklift just keep on passing by. The busy little forklift had so much work to do, lifting up the pallets and stacking boxes too. Along came the beep beep, moving things all around, and the busy little forklift, he never wore a frown. The busy little forklift under the sunny sky worked through the morning, time just seems to fly. When the day was over and it was time to rest, and the busy little forklift had done its very best. a mixer, a crane, a tall and spinning vane. I sent some cement up above, and in the air it found its groove. It mixed it, it raised it, yes, in the air it phased it. A towering crane swung it high and placed it there up in the sky. A forklift, a hauler, a load and distance crawler. I send a pallet through the side, and by the shift it was alright. It lifted, it hauled it, yes, by the shift it brawled it. A forklift moved it here and there, while the hauler took it everywhere.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Wow! Look at that! The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The door on the bus goes open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The door on the bus goes open and shut, all through the town. The motor on the bus goes vroom, 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 vroom. The motor on the bus goes vroom, 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 all through the town.
A digger, a dumper, a big and mighty jumper. I send a load across the side, and by the day it took its flight. It dug it dumped it, yes, by the day it jumped it. A mighty truck picked it up and moved the earth without a stop. A loader, a dumper, a smooth and heavy stroller. I send a mix to lay the road, and on its path it took it slow.